unless he speaks as one who suffers wrong. But for his comfort, as he may make a song, my friends are many, but their gifts are not. Shame will be theirs if for my ransom here I lie another year. They know this well, my barons and my men. Gascony, Poitou, that I had never follow a solo whom I would leave in prison to my gain. I say it not for a reproach to them, ancient proverb now I know for sure. Death and a prison know nor kind nor tie, since for mere lack of gold they let me lie. Much for myself I grieve, for them still more. After my death they will have grievous wrong. If I am a prisoner long, what marvel that my heart is sad and sore, when my own Lord torments my helpless lands. Well do I know that if he held his hands, remembering the common oath we swore, I should not here imprisoned with my song remain a prisoner long. And strong, young gentlemen of Anjou and Touraine, that far from them on hostile bonds I strayed. They loved me much, but have not loved me long. Their plans will see no more fair lists arrayed, while I lie here betrayed. Companions whom I love and still do love, Geoffroy du Perche and Ansel de Cailleux, tell them my song that they are friends untrue. Never to them did I false-hearted prove, but they do villainy if they war on me, while I lie here unfree. Countess, sister, I say not this of Chartres' dame, mother of Louis.